number 4
tonight for them. Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.
Pang bansa.
Magandang gabi po sa iyo lahat.
When I can tell the cry, and I thought this love.
Kayo ang magandang halimbawa at inspirasyon ng bawat Pilipino. Hindi madali ang mag-ibang bansa, ngunit sa sipag, katatagan at konkretong pagpaplano sa pagmamahal ninyo sa pamilya at sa ating bayan, wala po kayong katulad. Kaya mula sa puso ko, muli, maraming salamat. Patuloy tayong magkaisa at itaas ang bandera ng Pilipinas. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas! Mabuhay ang mga Pilipino dito sa Canada! Maraming salamat at magandang gabi sa inyong lahat.
I've always liked helping the Filipino community here. I've always been proud of the Filipinos here in Canada. I've been here for 31 years and I've met a lot of Canadians that have really showed me just how wonderful Filipinos are, especially the caregivers. All throughout my cancer treatments here, they have been such true supporters. And kahit hindi ko sila kilala, pinagdadasal nila ako, nakabantay sila sa labas ng operating room. Grabe, talagang dito mo makita yung pakikisama at pagmamahal ng Pilipino sa isa't isa. And wish ko lang talaga na ito lang yung makita natin palagi, na lagi natin makita ito at ipakita yung kagalingan ng Pilipino sa pagmamahal. I think on a very personal and on the most basic level, I think his coming here just shows you that he cares for every Filipino all over the world. That is the basic thing. And he's not afraid. He's not afraid of those that don't believe in him. He's here for those who believe in him. And that's why he's here. And also because being the head of the ASEAN, I think he realizes the opportunity and the progress he can make for the whole Asia with Canada as their partner. So this is going to be a very big door that will open for not just for Canada and for Asia, but I think for the whole world to recognize that the Philippines is a major player and can be a major player and can be an inspiration to the rest of Asia and the world.
Masaya po dumating si Pangulong Marcos dito sa Vancouver, Canada na na-meet niya yung mga Filipino community dito sa Vancouver and at least marami siyang na-meet ditong mga Pilipino and then at the same time yung tungkol sa business kay Prime Minister Mark Carney dito sa Vancouver.
I'm so honored to be invited here. And I would like to congratulate His Excellency Ferdinand Marcos Jr. for coming here in Vancouver. And it's really, really amazing that he come to visit the Filipino community, especially here in Vancouver. And we love you. We love Philippines.